Transform tool. Most of the time, when you import or open an image into Photoshop, it exceeds the current canvas size. Follow the below steps to apply this tool. Step 1. Open an image in Photoshop. Step 2. Select the Edit Free Transform option from the menu bar. Now, you can increase or decrease and rotate an image as per the requirement. In this case, there is a bounding box with square handles. You can drag them inside or outside to see the changes they are making to the object inside it. When you hover your mouse pointer near the corner handles, the mouse pointer changes into a curved arrow, helping you to rotate the object. You can find more transform features under the transform option in the edit menu, such as skew, distort, warp, rotate to a specific angle, flipping options, etc.